Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to disable those annoying ad pop-ups on emergency alerts within the X app, keeping your phone experience smooth and distraction-free. Follow these easy steps right on your phone. First, open your phone settings. This is where you manage all your apps and notifications. Next, tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Scroll down or search for the X app and tap to open its settings. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you control what kind of alerts the app can send you. Look for notification categories and tap it. This lets you manage different types of notifications within the app. Among the categories, find Emergency Alerts and tap on it. Finally, you will see an option called Show Ad Pop-up. Simply toggle this off to disable those ad pop-ups connected to emergency alerts. And that's it. You've just taken back control from intrusive ads during emergency notifications. This change ensures you only get the critical alerts without any unwanted distractions. If you ever want to turn the ads back on, just follow the same steps and toggle Show Ad Pop-up back to on. Thanks for watching.